Hi there, my name is Amanda Rasch and I'm the coordinator at the Cardano Foundation based in Zug, Switzerland. I'm a person with many hats, however, my priorities lie with events coordination, administration in various areas and council matters. I grew up in Switzerland and spent quite a bit of my adult time in South Africa, being both Swiss and South African. I recently moved back to Switzerland with my small family and consider myself extremely lucky living in such a beautiful and safe country. I do miss South Africa though. I love working for the Cardano Foundation because the team is highly motivated and we are all working towards the same goal. Everyone has the chance to voice their own opinion and we live an open and welcoming culture. There are so many different nationalities represented in our foundation, which makes interacting and working together very exciting.